Hello to everyone that is watching this video. This is my flashlight collection so far. I just bought these Pelican cases just to store some of them. I'll take them all out in a second to show how many I have. Gives all the names. Alright, let's take them out. First we have the, hold on, Fenix TK35. Then the E21. The Fenix PD32, that's their latest PD series. I actually have two of these. I don't know where the other one is right now. Hold on. Let me pull it out. There it is. Here's the second one. Then I have the Fenix LD20. I'm also gonna get the LD22. It's about to come out. It's supposed to have the momentary on, and just like the PD32, the mode switch has been moved to the emitter head. So here we go. Next I have the Fenix PD20. Takes 1CR123. It's my second most powerful light that I have. It's the 4.7's Turbo X with the XML LED. And the smallest one is a 4.7's Quark Mini. And just these. This is just the old mag light LED. These are actually pretty good lights because I got them from Costco. I was a little skeptical about how good they were gonna be, but they put out 200 lumens. Very powerful and very useful actually. Really good light, and they have strobe. So they have low, high, and strobe. 3 for $20 I think. It's a very good deal. So if you go by Costco next time, you should get these. Definitely worth $20. And they're actually waterproof. I actually tried them. They're all waterproof. I'm actually missing one more light. It's the Fenix LD10. I also got the big mag light 3D cell. I feel this is my longest range light, even though it's not as powerful rated lumens as those lights. This is rated at 136, I believe. Yeah, it is. It's rated at 136 lumens or 31 lumens. But the range on this is pretty far. So, still have a growing collection. Give you a little closer look. Here's a TK35. Puts out 820 lumens. E21 puts out 154 lumens. LD20 right here Phoenix, puts out 180 lumens. These two PD32s, they put out 315 lumens. But I believe the one on the right, even though they're the same, this one has a more of a purplish beam. This one has a clear white beam. So I don't know why that, but they feel the same power. This one right here, PD20, also puts out 180 lumens. This one puts out 100 lumens on 1AA. This one, 4.7s, puts out 450 lumens. This Quark Mini puts out with one CR123 180 lumens. 89 actually. This, I forgot how much this puts out. 60 something I think? Not sure. And these three put out 200 lumens, and like I said, this puts out 131 lumens. So they're all really good lights, high quality lights. These two are just alright. I'm not a really big fan of mag lights. I just have them because this is my first LED flashlight before I started buying all these high-end flashlights. So yeah, that's it. This is my flashlight collection. It's definitely going to grow over the next few months. And in my next video, I'm going to do a little quick review for all of them. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.